In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your ELO on chess.com. Whether you're a beginner learning the fundamentals of chess or an experienced player working to improve your results, keeping track of your ELO rating is a great way to measure your progress. Your rating reflects your performance over time and can help you understand how your skills are developing across different game formats. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find your rating information on chess.com. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the chess.com website. Once the page loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're visiting the site for the first time. The platform includes a variety of features, but finding your rating is actually quite simple once you're signed in. Next, locate the Login button on the left side of the home page and select it. This will take you to the Account Access page where you'll be able to sign in and view your personal statistics. Enter your account credentials in the appropriate fields if you use a standard chess.com login. If you've connected your account through a supported sign-in provider, you can also choose that option instead. Use whichever method you normally use to access your account. Once the sign-in process is complete, you'll be taken to your chess.com dashboard and gain access to your account features. After you've successfully logged in, move your cursor toward the upper left corner of the screen and find the chess.com logo. This logo serves as an important navigation tool throughout the website and provides quick access to several sections of your account. Hover or click the logo to reveal the available menu options. From there, locate and select Stats. This section contains detailed information about your activity, performance history, and rating data. When the Stats page opens, scroll down until you reach the Ratings area. Here, you'll find your ELO ratings displayed across different game types and time controls. Depending on the games you've played, you may see ratings for formats such as Rapid, Blitz, Bullet, and other chess categories available on the platform. Reviewing these ratings can give you a clearer picture of your strengths and areas for improvement. Many players use this information to track their growth, set goals, and monitor their performance over time. And that's all there is to it. Finding your ELO rating on chess.com only takes a few moments and provides valuable insight into your chess journey. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.